Hi guys, welcome back. Another Wednesday, another shave, and we've got a good one lined up for you today. We've got a nice shave, some waffle, and a giveaway. Okay, so here we go. I'll get the rundown on the go. Brush, PAA, let's get it the right way up for you. PAA, Atomic Rocket, 26mm. It's absolutely beautiful. These brushes, absolutely wonderful. Well done to Doug and Fran. I'll put it in soak there. The razor for today, there's a story to tell, guys. Here we go. It's the PAA Ascension Select Bladesman Hybrid Razor. There you go, look. We'll get that off there. I'm going to talk about this and how it came to be through the shave. So can you see it there? Ascension Select. Let's get that so the light's off it. Yeah, I can't. There you go. Ascension Select. I don't know if that's shown. And what we're going to be putting in that is a silver star. These are courtesy of Flash Boredom, Super Stainless. That's what they look like out of the box, guys. Never used these blades before. Don't know what to expect. Nice blades, thank you, Flash. Oh, they look okay. Super stainless. Made in Egypt. There you go, and that's what they look like out of there. We'll get one in here, and we'll get. So that's it going in there. That's that going in there. Can you see it? Select Ascension. We'll get that on there, and we will put this in that cup next to the brush to get some warm water in that blade. It's cooled down a lot here, so we're going to be doing a warm water shave. Check that out. That's what we're going to be using today, guys. PAA Astra Planets. Absolutely beautiful stuff. There it is. Absolute. Oh, it's a tobacco scent, but it's a mild tobacco scent. It smells absolutely fantastic. It's like a tobacco scent crossed with a cologne. I've never really had a strong tobacco type cologne, but you're in the ballpark there. If you crossed a cologne with a tobacco scent, it's absolutely wonderful. I like it. We've got the matching after splash. You get more of the notes in with that. And we're going to balm up Jonnys Chop Shop Soul Balm. Good stuff, that. And although it's not the greatest of scents, it's not. I don't think it's actually meant to be a scented balm, but there is a slight hint of a scent to it. Yeah, and it does lend itself quite well to this. So what we'll do is we'll wet the face, we'll lather up, and then we'll talk about this giveaway and this razor. Oh man. Oh, so how is everybody doing? Okay, here we go. I've had this for over a year. I've never used it. So there you go. Well, I used it once. This PAA set. Right, the giveaway. I want to do an 800 subscriber giveaway. But the thing is, everything I've got are sets. I haven't got anything that isn't a set. And I don't want to break a set up, and I can't ship alcohol abroad. So I'm in a bit of a bind. So I looked at what I could do, what I could give away, and I thought, we'll give a razor and some blades, and I'll throw some soap samples in, and we'll see how we go. Look at that, this, guys, look at this. This is CK6 formula. PA, it just keeps going and going and going, doesn't it? Look. Lovely, rich, thick. creamy lather. Look at that, guys. Absolutely wonderful. And there it is. So, give a look at that. Wow. It even tastes nice. We'll talk about this razor. See the handle? That handle's 100% aluminium. On a P, it's not the handle that came with it, is it? So, what we'll do is, we'll clear those runways. We'll go about there. Yeah, so, what happened was, I bought a PAA Ascension Select razor. And I absolutely loved it. It's a superb razor. But what happened was, some of the paint started to flake off the head. I'd only used it twice. So I said to Samantha, will you email Doug and Fran and let them know what's happened with this razor? And Samantha said, yeah, I'll do it at weekend. And that was that. So then, in subsequent conversations with another wet shaver, a non-YouTuber, he was telling me how much he wanted the PAA Ascension Select. So I said to him, you can have mine. You can have mine. He thought, I came home, sorted it out, gave it to him, and on Saturday I said to Samantha, on the Saturday, I think it was a Saturday or a Sunday, I said to Samantha, I gave so and so the PAA Ascension Select, and she went, oh, I've already emailed Doug and Fran and told them about the thing and Doug and Fran had already emailed out, sent out that head instantly. No messing. Absolute superb, 100% superb customer service. Do you know what? I wasn't expecting any less. But I wasn't, because Doug and Fran have been so kind in the past with things that I'm not going to go into. But they've been so kind in the past with things. I thought I wasn't going to. I was going to leave it. I thought I'd give the razor away now. He's not bothered about the paint flaking on top. I tell Samantha to just leave it, but she jumped the gun and told them. And the next thing we knew, they said the replacement head's on the way. So that's how we ended up with a replacement head. Okay, so that's that. This is its first and will probably be its only use. Now the handle. We were gifted by the company a razor, had a brass head and an aluminium handle. The company's called Bladesman, and that's the handle there. Oh, so you think it's actually very nice, and it goes very well with that, and it's very well balanced, and it's made a lovely razor. But I shaved with the Bladesman, and I shaved with it on a video, and I put a green Astra in it, and it sliced my face to ribbons. I think I put it came with their own blades that I used actually. And then a week or so later, when my face had healed, off camera, I shaved with it again. And the same result, it sliced my face to ribbons. So I took the head off. and binned it. So now I've got a pure aluminium handle. Think, what on earth am I going to do with it? And then this kit, you know, with the replacement head, with dug and cute there. So what I did was I put the Ascension on here, and I'll show you. I think you've already seen it, but that's what it looks like. It actually goes really well, doesn't it? You'd think they were made for each other. It's just a different handle. Okay, so that's where we're at today. Now, dip that is. I love this CK6 formula. How it just keeps taking water. So I'd resolved in my heart to give it away. And I gave it to this person. So I thought, what I would do, if you're up for it, I'm going to give this away as well. I'll show you the box. The box that the other one came in that box. The Bladesman. I think they're £30 each. The head's away, so the aluminium handle. So that's it. So I'll put it in that box, and I'll put a ton of razors in it, and that'll be the giveaway. I'll put a soap in as well. What I'll do is I'll find a soap. I'll get a soap from somewhere. Or I'll probably make up about 10 or 12 samples. I've got some fantastic little sample pots in there and a load of blades. And that's what I'll do. And that's the giveaway, guys. I've waited a week because I hit 800 subscribers last Friday. And I've already told you the tale about how I lost 4 subscribers in 4 days. So I didn't want to announce an 800 subscriber giveaway, lose more subscribers and only be on 798. So I've been biding my time. I've got some more new subscribers. Thanks for getting on board, guys. I really do appreciate it. So, oh, did I just catch myself with that one? What I'll do is I'll clean it. I will sterilise it. We'll disinfect it and we'll get it all nice and clean and dry and sterile. And then we'll put it in that box. And we'll get some blades in there, some new pack of blades. I don't know, some Statums or some Willies or something else. And we'll put a few others in there. Wow. Hey. I might keep it actually, give a very good shave that. Just the usual suspects. Oh, being worked on. Sorry, wrong channel. So let me know, shall we make it this video? Just say I'm in. Do your comment, whatever comment, let me know what your shaves of the day are. Let me know what you're up to. Just make a comment on the stuff I've used. I appreciate all comments, good and bad. Yeah. Wow. Well, actually, I might just forget all that. Change my mind. That's. Wow. Wow. That was close. That is a close shave, guys. I'm going to lean in now and show you the Lancashire lean. Wow, I don't remember that razor. Look at that. There isn't a hair. There's nothing. Absolutely wonderful. Oh, guys. So, that's it. That's our shave. That's our giveaway. Oh, what should we do? We'll put this on first. P88. Absolutely love this stuff. Love P88 stuff. Yeah, there you go. Oh wow, not a sting. Nothing. Wow, no, yeah. Now you're getting that. Now you're getting that strong earthy tobacco scent there with that. Absolutely wonderful. You're in the ballpark of Uncle John's pipe smoke. That's kind of where you're up to with there. And we'll balm up Jonnys chop shop. A bit of Jonnys chop shop. And that is our shave. Thanks for listening, guys. Hey. Please, everybody, subscribe and then go straight down in the comments and say I'm in. I really don't mind people subscribing for the giveaway. I know some people do. And that's fine. That's absolutely fine. I'm not saying anything about that. I'm just saying it doesn't bother me. Subscribe, go down, leave your comment. You'll be in. I appreciate it. The point of the giveaway is to reward loyal subscribers and attract new ones as well who are trying to grow the channel. So thanks for listening, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate all the support, all the comments, all your time. I will see you on Saturday. Oh, big announcement on Saturday. I hope I remember it now, goldfish memory. Big announcement on Saturday to do with shaving, right? Have a wonderful week. Look after yourselves. And remember, in a world full of cold and darkness, be a beacon of warmth and light. And I will see you on Saturday for the Saturday shave. Bye.